Hello, my name is John Marshall and I am Professor of Tumour Biology. So the Centre for Tumour Biology is a very broad sort of group of scientists. We have clinician scientists, we have experts in cancer metabolism, we have an expert in Drosophila fly genetics, and we have expertise in cell and molecular biology. If I had to summarise the sort of work that we do in tumour biology, it would be to create novel translational projects, but by understanding tumour biology better. So we do study cancer cells, but we also have a very keen interest in the tumour microenvironment. And that's why over the last 10 or so years, our department has been developing and expanding the use of various three-dimensional cell models that allow us to investigate the role of tumour cells and how they interact with cells that are important in the tumour microenvironment. So what would it be like if you came to tumour biology to do your MSc? Well, because we are such a broad church, there would be a very wide variety of opportunities for you to do your research projects. So if I think about the projects that you might be able to do in the current laboratory, you might be studying the role of c-Met in ovarian cancer. You might be studying how to get around drug resistance from kinase inhibitors in the treatment of cancer. You might study the role of stellate cells. These are important mesenchymal cells in the development of pancreatic cancer. In my own laboratory, we're very interested in integrins, in particular an integrin called alpha v beta 6. And we have projects trying to understand how alpha v beta 6 is internalized by cells, because this is important in trying to develop targeting drugs. We also have projects in targeting cancer metabolism, as this is a new area of expertise that is developing as a way of treating cancer. So you can see, I hope, that we have a very large variety of different projects that cover not only the tumour cells but also the tumour microenvironment around them. What you would get if you came to our department is lots of support. We would give you one-to-one teaching, we would help you in your presentations when you got to your vivas, we would advise you on your writing and improve your scientific writing. And of course the benefits of getting an MSc from Barts Cancer Institute are enormous. If you are to get a distinction from our MSc, it opens doors. So if you want to do a PhD in another institution or even our own institution, a distinction on our MSc will almost certainly get you an interview, and that's the first task. Once you get to interview, it's an even playing field, and then it's up to you to win that place when you go to interview. So we will teach you how to do interviews. So we look at you as a potential scientist in the future, and we will support you all the way along to try and create a fully rounded, experienced, hungry young person. We are looking for those people who really are ambitious, who really are bright, who really want to do well in this field. And if that's you, then do please come and contact us. So at this point, I wish you well and look forward to greeting you in person. Goodbye.